Hello, financial fans. This was a bit of a down week, not much of a down week, but my portfolio went down in value a little bit this week, and it's not anything devastating. The numbers right now for SPY, S&P 500 index year to date, the S&P 500 index year to date, 7.37% increase in value. That's a very good increase in value this early in the year. The Dow Industrial Average year to date, 2.5% increase in value, so it's not up as much as the others, but it's still a nice increase for this early in the year. QQQ, the NASDAQ index, going very, very well for NASDAQ, 14.26% increase in value year to date. My portfolio is down a little bit from last week, but still up for the year. My portfolio is up 8.8% in value year to date. And I bought 4 stocks about a week ago. I mentioned them to you, but I'll just go ahead and pat myself on the back. I did a pretty good job. All 4 of the stocks have gone up a little bit since I bought them just about a week ago. We don't know what will happen a year from now, but VLO was one of the stocks I bought. VLO is up 5.79% since I bought it just a few days ago. STLA is up about 0.75% since I bought it. MPC is up 6.59% since I bought it. And PSX, I think that's what it says. Yes, PSX is up 8.9% since I bought it just about a week ago. And we found some stocks here that look like they're selling awfully cheap stocks. We'll take a look at the numbers and see. We'll begin with, I guess this says Chemours Company. CC is the symbol, and it was up 2.5% in the trading today, but after hours went down to $34.30 in value. That's the current price per share for CC. Column on the left, 2/3 of the way down, 52-week range, $22.56 was the low, and $44.95 was the high price per share for the past 52 weeks. The average volume, a little over 1 million shares trade every day, and the stock is considered to be near fair value. The PE ratio, 6.13, a nice low PE ratio, and earnings per share are very good, $5.60 earnings, and they're using $1 of that $5.60 earning. The dollar is going toward the forward dividend and yield. Just about 3% is the yield on CC, and the 1-year target estimate, $36 per share, which is not much higher than it is right now, but with that low PE ratio, maybe it'll sneak in some higher numbers, who knows. Next we look at EOG, that's the symbol for EOG Resources Incorporated. 52-week range, $92.16 was the low, and $150.88 was the high for the past 52 weeks. And it closed at $134.14 per share today, a big increase in value today. And after hours went down 60 cents to $133.54. That's per share. We look at the earnings per share, $12.74 earnings per share, and the forward dividend and yield from $3.30, they yield about 2.5% dividend, and the 1-year target estimate, very nice, $154.79. Next we look at ENISPA, and the symbol is E. The 52-week range on this stock, $20.38 to $32.56 per share over the past 52 weeks. And we look down at the average volume. It has low volume. That can be a warning sign. This might be a stock to just kind of look at, and if you think it has a good number for the price at some point where you're getting a real bargain, and this might be the time. Just be extra careful when a stock doesn't have at least 1 million shares trading every day. This stock is considered to be undervalued. The PE ratio, 3.14, and the forward dividend and yield, about 6%, is what the yield is on E. E is the symbol. And the 1-year target estimate, $35.96. That would be a nice increase in value. Next we look at Truist Financial Corporation, and it closed at $48.38 per share. Then after hours it kept going up. In fact, it went up more after hours than it did during the day. $49.50 the current price per share for TFC. The 52-week range, $40 and a penny to $65.36 over the past 52 weeks. So it's closer to the low than the high, but it's doing a good job of climbing out of the hole it dug for itself. And the average volume, 262,000 shares trade every day. This stock is considered to be near fair value. The PE ratio, 10.92, and the forward dividend and yield, 4.34%, a nice yield usually, but that would be eaten up by inflation if something doesn't happen to the inflation numbers and get them down where they belong. The 1-year target estimate for TFC, $52.37, and I thank you very much for watching.